Hey guys, Rob here at the end of another construction renovation job, a Reno loan, and this one came out great. Let's take a look and let me show you how this property in Germantown, we blended together all the salvageable old unique character and blended it into a new modern look. Really came together nice. Okay, so let's start. As we walk in, the first thing you're going to notice is that the owners decided to keep some of the old layout along with some of the new modern layouts. First thing being they kept this, as opposed to tearing down all these walls here, they kept the foyer and they kept the original door. Now look at the woodwork detailed, or the detailed woodwork on this. I mean, this is just beautiful. Just love this. And as we come in, they did do a half, sort of an open concept for the dining room and kitchen. They tore down the wall and blended it together, but they kept the separate living room and kept the walls for that living room. And it just really comes together really nice. And in the living room, they kept the mantle. Again, the woodwork, I just love this woodwork. And as we were doing all this cleaning up and demoing out everything, we found these very unique bottles that the owner wanted to keep. This property was in the owner's family for many years and it got dilapidated. So we were really excited when they chose us to really try to bring it back. Now, another great feature is this woodwork. I mean, just look at that. I mean, you don't find stuff like this anymore in Philadelphia. And along with this unique light fixture, I mean, it just really comes together nicely, keeping this old historical look, but yet it's blended together with modern renovation work. I mean, you can't get character like this anywhere in the city of Philadelphia. Now, another unique thing about this property here is this two-story skylight that comes down and brings light from the outside all the way down to the first floor. Very unique feature. You don't find that a lot. Another thing that they kept was the old cabinetry. This is the old china, I guess the china closet or china cabinet. They kept that. We blended that in. We're able to keep one of the doors here. And again, just look at this woodwork. You gotta love it. Blends together beautifully with this open kitchen concept with big island. I mean, just look how that came together. We just love the look of this. Keeping the back shed and using it for a laundry is going to make life a lot easier rather than going down to the basement. Now, the owner wanted the basement was for the husband, and so we created this man cave down here with epoxy floors. Just really came together nice down here. All right, now let's go upstairs. And again, as we're looking at all this beautiful, rich, historical look, these steps are another thing. Very unique, very wide. You don't find wide steps like this. As a matter of fact, let me try and see if I can come out a little bit to try and show you how wide these are. All right, and it just invites you upstairs, which we're gonna take a look at. And again, take a look at that door with the transom. You don't find doors with transoms anymore. And keeping that, man, just really came out nice. Along with here. And here. And you have another skylight, which is unique. So you have two skylights in a row house. All right. And again up here, keeping all this cabinetry work. I just love it. Came out really nice. The railing, I mean, it's just a rich looking wood. And this is a cabinet they wanted to keep. Oh, and this is a window for that skylight. Again, very unique. You can look down into the kitchen. Another very cool feature. Now, the owners wanted the base. This bathroom was very small, so we actually had to go into the back bedroom, but it ended up giving them exactly what they wanted with a nice, large bathroom. All right, that's exactly what they were looking for. And so we moved it, we moved the mechanicals, we moved the plumbing, and we were able to really give them a spacious bathroom. And at the same time, maintain a decent sized back bedroom that you can see is here. I just love how the light comes through the transom. Very cool look.